Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Audio-Technica ATH-WB2022 set of headphones and wireless headphones, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on the Bluetooth. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not charging or not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing with your phone or they keep disconnecting. Any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for any variety of reasons where you want to just have it delete all the pairing history so you can set them up like you're just setting up a brand new set of headphones. So what you're going to want to do is with these headphones turned on, and they should not be connected to anything, so you might need to turn the Bluetooth off on whatever you have around. You're just going to come in and you're going to find this multifunction button and then the volume up buttons and press and hold them simultaneously for about 6 seconds. Just keep holding them, and keep an eye on the indicator light. And when that indicator light turns kind of bluish white, the product will then restart. You can release the buttons. The reset is complete. Now you can go back to your phone or whatever, remove the old headphones from your list of paired devices and pair these as a new set of headphones.